Trump's energy stocks will help you retire. This is what happened, guys and ladies. The Trump administration came out with guidance on the solar tax credit in August, saying that it's not going to be reduced much. And on that news, solar stocks just started flying. One of them, NXT, Next Tracker, is at a very favorable position right now, even after that big move. Next Tracker is the leader in solar tracking systems, which you can imagine if you can follow the sun, you get more sun for the same panel. So they are a technological leader. They also have 3 gigawatt commitment with a large renewable energy implementer. You got to actually put the solar panels into place and connect them to the grid and all that. 3 gigawatts is a lot. This company has almost $1 billion in revenue as of their most recent earnings. And as I mentioned, the stock is at a favorable position right now where you're not just buying what looks like a top. I could be wrong. This is not financial advice, but looks pretty good. Let's jump into the chart and what they do.
This is Sam Putnam. This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
All right, so these are their big partnerships. They acquired this company to get some hardware going on. I have no idea what electrical balance system is, but if we need to look into it, we will. This is the important part for people that are looking to jump into, this company potentially. This is kind of an electrical signal right now we're looking at, and the signal looks good. So this earnings sort of ended up at this 100 psychological level here, and you can see we're very much riding that level. So a lot hinges on numbers like that. I mean, imagine not everyone's looking at the same chart. They're looking at God knows what, right? They might check their stock once a week or once a quarter. I don't know. $100 though is an important level. And for us, if we can take a more nuanced, zoomed in view, which we get here on this chart, you can use whatever chart you want. This is the one I use. You can see it sold off on Thursday. We're holding here. This is Sunday futures. So we're right near this $100 level. So it provides a really great opportunity to risk a few bucks and try to make 10, 20. And sure, are there other stocks that had bigger gap ups? Yes, NVIDIA does on a percentage basis, relative strength. But the challenge with buying gap ups is, great, it shows that there's some strength there, but what you really want is to get in before it goes up, right? That's like the name of the free course, actually, that is available for subscribers. I just posted how to buy stocks before they go up, not financial advice. So this is the opportunity. This is the company. And let's jump into a little bit more about their peers and what they're up to. So someone can correct me in the comments, but this seems wrong, right? I mean, what is going on here? Q3 earnings. I guess I could just pony up and actually look up when their earnings are, right? I mean, how hard would that be? So this is the challenge, right? I mean, everyone was worried Trump was going to ruin these solar companies. This is the news in August. The EPA cancels $7 billion Biden-era grant program to boost solar energy. So that was bad, but what actually happened was even though there was some plans for some tough cuts on subsidies, what actually happened was it wasn't so bad. So all these solar stocks went up. And I don't know exactly, the percentage that the subsidy was, cut by rather than what it was supposed to be cut by. But this is a pretty scary uh, percentage that the administration might threaten 50% of planned electricity from solar due to policy moves. Okay. So this is from Politico. So you got to kind of read the verbiage, check the source, and then also look at what the market's actually doing. So what the market's actually doing in the last 3 days is these solar stocks, if we look at the TAN ETF, this thing is strong. This is the solar ETF. And if we look at ARRY, earnings are holding up. That's another solar stock. And then FSLR, First Solar, arguably the strongest of them all, although I don't love how it's in a channel, so it's a little tougher to get into. Super strong as well. So I think NXT is the one to buy. And as mentioned, this was August when those solar subsidy, alarms were not actually sounded as loud as they were expected to. AKA, people bought the solar stocks because they said, hey, this is still a huge market for solar, and the companies went up a lot. So it's all good for solar. Now, a little bit more about these guys and why them. Okay, they are the leader in solar tracking systems. There is a flight to quality that happens, right? Consolidation as we get, this is a mature market, solar panels at this point. I mean, if they can build out 3 gigawatts, that's huge. I mean, there's supposed to be like 20 gigawatts of power needed for data centers. And almost $1 billion in revenue, beat estimates by 30% for their second quarter. So this is 2025. ChatGPT is crazy, but the numbers are right, even though they sometimes get the times wrong. So the move is definitely real. The market believes in solar, and right now there's a super good level, $100. So if you like these ideas, hit that like button. If you want a free course on how to buy stocks before they go up, hit that subscribe. And if you want one-on-one help, you're a busy person, and you want to also get to ask some questions about your portfolio, head over to stockscommunity.com. I'll see you in the next one.
This is Sam Putnam. This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.